You know, people call me a bloody daredevil when I know the audio quality of this bloody cam is not good. I am still trying my best to get the better, or should I say the best audio quality. The best fix for this is still not arrived. Obviously, it's only going to arrive when Srujan's friend comes to India, which is not anytime soon. So honestly speaking, this has really pissed me off because I spent a lot of money buying these two action cameras. They are more expensive than the GoPros, and because obviously nobody expects the sound to be bad in any action camera. Action camera is supposed to be good in terms of audio quality. Video at times might not be the best, but audio, you expect the best of the audio qualities from any of these action cameras. But this one has pissed me off. Video quality is excellent. There's no problem with that. But the audio, oh freak, unbelievable how much of a pain this has been for me in the past. Okay, where are we headed to? We are headed to Wrap and Shine. For those who remember, it is the place where we got the PPF done. The only reason why this bike is in such a beautiful condition, in spite of those kind of horrible trips to all the muds and ruts we're going, I'm just going there to just get a checkup done on the entire project, what we have done with the bike. So why am I testing this again? Because I have made a few changes. I have purchased another mic, and the testing I did at home, it was kind of successful. I could get some sort of audible sound which was not like the previous ones where we tried from this camera. And yes, one more important thing about the PPF. So the reason why I'm going for this checkup is because there's a small peel off. I'll show it to you guys in a little bit. And I don't know where did it and how did it happen, but this product, these people have given me a 5-year warranty or guarantee. So that's drainage water. I don't want to be anywhere close to that. So yes, they have a 5-year warranty for the PPF I've taken. I've taken the top end PPF which they have. The 3 models, the top, low, mid and high. The low, I think they're giving about 2 years, 3 years and 5 years of warranty. And so either they're going to just stick it back where it's speeding off halka, or else they're going to get me a new piece there. Well, here we are at Wrap and Shine. The bike, the PPF on it, I wanted to get it checked again because there were a couple of places where the PPF was coming off, and it was chota, maybe about a couple of millimeters. It started lifting at a place, so I got it to Wrap and Shine again. They are done with the bike. I will show you how the bike looks as we speak right now, and it looks as good as new. Like, oh seriously, this work is amazing. PPF is absolutely amazing. I honestly recommend getting it done on your bike as soon as you purchase it, so that it will look brand spanking new till a very, very long time. And for the people who want to know about wraps, look at this room. It is entirely filled with all different wraps. And again, this is actually the best place to come for wrapping or getting PPF done among all the places I have been to. They do a fabulous job. They do it quickly, and they give that personalized attention and attention to detail, even to the minute of things. Right now Ducati is done. I am done here. It is 3 o'clock and I didn't have my lunch yet, so I'm hungry. I'm heading back home. I'll catch you guys on the way. And if you guys want to know about this place, I'll put a link to their Instagram page and also their address with their phone numbers. You can contact them. They do all kinds of jobs. We'll come back here in a couple of days with another project because we wanted to get it done really soon, but you know whom to contact. The owner of this place is Hriday. For those who are new to this channel, the PPF was done here on the Ducati, and I've done a scratch test as well. I'll put a link to that video on the scratch test in the top left corner of the screen now. You can look at that, why a PPF is recommended as well. So chalo, let's see you guys on the way back home now. So this is the place. It's called Wrap and Shine. The contact number is there. They do detailing, automobile detailing. They're currently working on these two cars, the BMW 3 Series and the Audi A4 with the S-Line. So this is done. And chalo, our Ducati is there. Look at it. It's looking bloody monstrously red. Fuel levels are low as well. And honestly speaking, I need to get it to refuel. Whether to do it now or at a later stage or something, I'm actually compounding on. If I need to get it, okay, we'll get it done. We'll get the fueling done and then go back home. Because it's not going to take a lot of time to reach home, about 10 minutes. And I don't see rain coming in about 10 minutes. Okay, a few changes have happened. We have remodeled a little bit of the house. We've changed a lot in the kitchen. So probably the next video is going to be about the house. Because aaj garden bhi khatam. So if the gardener has finished his work, next video would definitely be a house tour. And that's going to come up really, really soon. And also I request you guys, I'm really sorry if the audio is not coming out great on this bloody mic. Please spare me. But if the audio, you see an improvement in the Insta360 volume when compared to the previous times when I recorded with this setup, please let me know. Because obviously I will also understand how much of a difference there is while editing. But you as the audience, if you can give me that input, it would be really, really helpful, and it will throw a light on how, again, each system, each device has a different output level. So based on the general audience, I will also get an understanding if you guys can hear me properly with this new mic. Because even this bloody mic which I purchased costed a fortune, and if this is working, I'll have to purchase another mic of this to put it on Srijan's helmet. So, you know, seriously, this Insta360, although it is a great cam, again, I'll be putting a video of people who want to know what to do to resolve the audio issues in this. That will be coming up as well, because this audio problem with this device is a huge issue. So, it has to be solved, guys, because not many people are aware of these things. Full tank is here now. Full tank. Google Pay లేదు. No 200 నుంచి కంటిన్యూ చేసినావు. ఎంత కట్ చేస్తావు? చేయి మళ్ళీ. సరే. జీరో చేయి. It is funny because this guy actually tried to put me in a conversation, and he tried to dope me. And as soon as he realized that I caught him, he was like, he won't accept cards, only HDFC and nonsense and all. It is freaking funny, and this is a very common thing. These people try to dupe you just by putting you in a conversation all the time. So be very cautious, be very mindful of what these guys are trying to put in a conversation with you, because see, this was proof. He continued because he was like, I'm not going to accept ICICI card, you can Google Pay me. I was like, but he could accept HDFC. Because I removed an ICICI bank card, he was like, sir, HDFC I will accept or whatever. But yes, in short, I knew what was he trying to do from the get-go, because, and that is why I had my head turned towards the fuel meter, and I asked him in my local language if he is actually starting or from zero, or is he continuing, because I have video proof as well. So that's how life is. Okay, this is where I'm going to cut the video. We're coming close to home. Okay, listen to that. That's all. Bye. See you back home. You know what? What is that, Suju? What did you make?
You remember Bachpan mein, I guess all the 90s kids know about this thing.
Arey, hello. 80s also, huh? I'm 80s.
Okay, 80s and 90s. You used to get that Pepsi, 5 rupees wala Pepsi in Kirana stores, if you guys remember.
1 rupee and 50 paisa. 5 rupees नहीं होता है.
When I was...
अमीर औलाद है साला.
When I was little, it was 5 rupees.
No, it was 50 paisa for the small one and 1 rupee for the big Pepsi.
90s, 94, what, I was born in 94, 2000, it was 5 rupees. So, obviously it's not available. So what I did, I got this popsicle kind of a thing from Ikea, and इसमें Pepsi डाल दिया, and I made this Pepsi popsicle
It
thing.
is the most stupidest of ideas one can ever have in their life, because it tastes like sugar water frozen.
No,
Does it have any other taste to
No,
it?
it has Pepsi flavor in it.
And yes, I'm actually showing Aggie more and me talking because most of you wanted Aggie in the scene. And he's not been on cam for a very, very, very long time. Kada, Aggie flying kiss of andar ki? Hi Chappu. Mali flying kiss? That's
On other news, 99% of all the parts for the Africa Twin are here in the service center itself. We are just waiting for one part, just because of lockdown in Rajasthan. That part is being withheld. But
it's come to Rajasthan.
it's in Rajasthan. So probably Aggie की वजह से हमारा bike भी destroy हो रहा है. So probably hey, it's leaking.
Srujan's diaper is leaking.
Probably within 1 week, everything will be in Hyderabad, and they'll probably take 1 or 2 days to get the bike fixed in one piece. And before marriage,
Bike will be back.
bike will be back. Hopefully again.
But there's no Sangeet for your entrance. There's no reception.
That's okay. Photos खिंचवाएंगे. Professional photographer आएगा तो 1-2 photo तो खिंचवाएंगे. And घर का every work, exterior and interior work will be done today. The gardener is actually laying the garden, laying the grass.
Already told him.
You already told him?
Yeah, you're late, dude.
So until next vlog, peace, bye.
Love you. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye. Boom.